Hey guys, welcome back to the Tommy Gun Variety Channel. Today we are playing Battle Royale, and obviously because we don't have any guns, so it's kind of hard to play Airsoft with no guns. No. But they're way over there. We had Chance put them in boxes, and he's not playing because, as you saw in the last video, he clutched up, he shot me in the face, shot me in the leg. And
that's not bad too. I
and
feel
then
bad
he shot
about
Riley, which, yeah.
He's
so
fine.
He's not playing right now. Sadly, I know he's the best one out of all of us. So let's begin.
All right. 3, 2, 1, and open!
Oh, yes, sir! Wow, the wind is really terrible. Yes, let's go, one hit.
Yeah, you got your
Sorry. I'm out. That's my gun. Should put up safety. Hit twice. Hit twice.